안녕하세요. Hello, I'm Francesca. Welcome. We had Korean syllables in the previous lesson, and we learned how consonants and vowels are combined. And now we are ready to learn how to read it. I wrote 14 basic consonants and 5 double consonants. And with vowel R, you read it as ga, ka, ka. And n, a, na, na. D, a, ta, ta. R, a, ra, ra. It's more like L rather than R. And m, a, ma, ma. B, a, pa, pa. S, a, sa. Just a. Remember, as a beginning consonant, it doesn't have any value when you pronounce it. So just the vowel sound. Z, a, ja, ja. And ch, a, cha, cha. K, a, ka, ka. T, a, ta, ta. P, a, pa, pa. H, a, ha, ha. H, a, ha. And double consonant g, double g, you sound g plus a, ga, ga. And d plus a, da, da. B, a, ba, ba, ba. And sa, s, a, sa. And last one, z, a, za, za. We had an example with a, but if you add a, vowel a, it has, very simple pronunciation like ga. So go, no, do, ro, mo, bo, so, o, like that. And with another vowel, u, gu, nu, du, ru, that order. So this way you can pronounce consonant and vowel together as a syllable. An, a plus m, am. These two syllables, they have ending consonants. And these example words I put here, they don't have any ending consonants. And later we're going to practice the vocabularies with ending consonants. I will read it first and you listen carefully so later we can practice together. 대, 태, 때. 대, 태, 때. 비, 피. 오도, 포도. 다리, 파리. 개, 깨. 벼, 뼈. 크다, 끄다. 부르다, 푸르다. 바르다, 빠르다. Each word has different meaning. And this time you practice yourself. 대, 태, 때. 비, 피. 보도, 포도. 다리, 파리. 개, 깨. 벼, 뼈. 크다, 끄다. 부르다, 푸르다. 바르다, 빠르다. Alright, and the meaning of these words is all different. B means rain and P means blood. 보도 is press release and 포도 is grape, the fruit. And 다리 is bridge and Paris is the city in the France. In Korean reading, we call the city Paris. 개, dog. 개 means dog. 깨 means sesame seed. 벼, 뼈. 뼈 is rice plant. And 뼈 means bone. 크다, 끄다. 부르다, 푸르다. 부르다 is verb. call. You call someone. 푸르다 is adjective, green. And 바르다, paint, the verb. And 빠르다 is adjective, quick. And you're gonna practice the word with ending consonants. These are the words with ending consonants, 받침. And I'm gonna read it and you listen carefully and pay attention to how it's pronounced. 악수, 박수, 한국, 부엌, 국수, 숟가락, 듣다, 옷, 씻다, 빛, 숫, 옷, 낫, 꽃, 쫓다, 끝, 보리밭, 빛, 빛, 밥, 입술, 입, 옆, 앞, 숲. And some of the words, although the spelling is different, but it has same pronunciation. There's one pair, and we'll have those words later part of this lesson. And repeat after me. 악수, 박수, 한국, 부엌, 국수, 숟가락, 듣다, 옷, 씻다, 빛, 숫, 옷, 낫, 꽃, 쫓다, 끝, 보리밭, 빛, 빛, 밥, 입술, 입, 옆, 앞, 숲. I want to mention that I recommend you pay more attention to your pronunciation rather than how you write it, especially at this stage, for the practical reason. A few pairs here. Each has different writing and they also have different meaning, but the pronunciation is the same. So, up, up. You read it up. And bit, bit. This is comb. You comb your hair, it's comb. And this means ray. Sun ray and ray, bit. sounds like a beat. And oat, say. And not. These pairs have the same pronunciation. We're going to practice more of the syllables, and you try to find out how each ending consonant is pronounced. And later, you can repeat yourself. 박, 박. 옷, 꽃. 입, 잎. 꽃, 꽃. 방, 박. 부업, 부업. You repeat yourself. 박, 박. 옷, 꽃. 입, 잎. 꽃, 꽃. 방, 박. 부업, 부업. You may find some of the pairs, they have same pronunciation. 박, 박, they have same pronunciation. And ip, they have same pronunciation. We had double final consonant as a syllable, and now we need to practice how to read those double final consonants. So 그는, you sound 그. So when you read as knock. And 느즈, R plus 느즈, you sound 안다. 여덟, 르브, you sound 르, so 여덟. 르스, you sound 르, so you read as 외골. 할다, you have 르, so 할다. And 부스, you read as 갑, you have a bu sound. And 느흐, you have n sound, 안다. 르흐, you have r sound, 알다. And 르그, you have 그 as an ending of final consonant, so you read as 닭. 삼, 르무, you read as 삼. You only have mu sound. 르프, you sound p. 읍다. So you see there's a certain regulation. This part only first final consonant is pronounced. And this part, these three double final consonants, only second final consonant is pronounced.